The gift of sleep, why it matters for everyone. Babies need their sleep. Sleep helps babies grow big and strong. It helps their brains develop. A well-rested baby is a happy baby. Parents need sleep too. When babies sleep, parents can sleep. This helps parents have more energy. They can then take better care of their babies. Sleep is important for the whole family. Everyone feels better after a good night's sleep. Remember, you are doing great. Sleep training takes time and patience. Sleep training is about teaching babies good sleep habits. It helps them learn to fall asleep on their own. It also helps them sleep through the night. Sleep training is not about letting babies cry it out. It's about giving them the tools to sleep well. There are many different approaches to sleep training. The goal is to find what works best for your baby and your family. Every baby is different. There is no one-size-fits-all approach. Let's look at a few popular methods. The fading method. Gradually reduce your help with sleep. For example, you might hold your baby less and less each night. The pick up, put down method. Let your baby cry for a short time. If the crying continues, pick them up to soothe them. Then put them back down, drowsy but awake. Repeat as needed. The chair method. Sit in a chair next to your baby's crib. Gradually move the chair further away each night. These are just a few examples. Talk to your pediatrician to find the best method for your baby. Building a bedtime routine. Steps to sweet dreams. A consistent bedtime routine cues your baby that it's time to sleep. Here's a sample routine. First, a warm bath. A soothing bath can help relax your baby, washing away the day's excitement. Next, massage time. Gentle strokes can calm your baby, easing any tension they might have. Then pajamas and a fresh diaper. Soft, cozy pajamas can make a big difference. Make sure your baby is comfortable. Following that, feeding time. A full tummy helps babies sleep longer and more soundly. If you're enjoying these tips, please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful advice. Another tip is story time. Reading a book in a quiet voice can signal bedtime. Choose a favorite story. A lullaby can be very soothing, creating a peaceful atmosphere. Finally, goodnight kisses. End the routine with love and affection. Keep the routine consistent every night. This helps your baby understand what to expect and feel secure. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more parenting advice. Navigating the night, common challenges and solutions. Sleep training can be tough and exhausting for new parents. Here are some common challenges and how to handle them. Crying. It's normal for babies to cry, especially during the night. Try to soothe them without picking them up right away. This helps them learn to self-soothe. Pat their back or sing softly. Night wakings. These are also normal and can happen frequently. Try to avoid feeding or rocking your baby back to sleep every time they wake up. Offer comfort, but encourage them to fall asleep on their own. Setbacks. Don't worry if there are setbacks or difficult nights. Just get back to your routine as soon as possible. Consistency is key. Remember, you are not alone. Many parents face these challenges. Many parents go through the same challenges, and sharing experiences can be helpful. You've got this, parents. Expert tips and success stories. Here are some expert tips to keep in mind. Be patient. Sleep training takes time. It's a gradual process that requires dedication and understanding. Stick with it, and you will see results. Persistence is crucial in helping your baby develop healthy sleep habits. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Establishing a predictable routine helps your baby know what to expect. Try to follow the same routine every night. This includes activities like a warm bath, a soothing story, and gentle lullabies. Don't be afraid to ask for help. There are many resources available to support you. If you are struggling, reach out to your pediatrician or a sleep consultant. They can provide personalized advice and reassurance. Many parents have successfully sleep trained their babies. You can too. It's a journey, but one that's worth taking. Real life example. I was hesitant to sleep train, but I was so exhausted, says Sarah, a mother of a 6-month-old. The sleepless nights were taking a toll on our family. We used the fading method, and it worked wonders. Gradually reducing our presence helped our baby learn to self-soothe. Our baby is now sleeping through the night, giving us all the rest we need, and we are all much happier. You've got this. Remember, every small step is progress. With love, patience, and consistency, you can create a peaceful bedtime routine. You can help your baby become a champion sleeper. Celebrate each milestone and enjoy the journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and success stories. And hit the like button if you found this video helpful.